Let's go, everybody. Freestyle loss, aka break your neck loss. Get your birds out and start flying them. Stop keeping them canaries. Birds love to fly. They way out there. Keep them birds up. Shout out to Leo out in Lakeland. Keep your birds up. Shout out to White Pearl Lofts, Ruby Red Lofts. Keep your birds up. Benny Blanco, keep your birds up. ATU, let's see some birds up. Sammy Rodriguez, keep him up. Let's see some videos. What's up to Bobby Roman? Hope all is good. Couple of birds up there. Stocks over there. Zoom in. Nice cloudy day, not too hot, in the 80s. Birds do good when the temperature goes down. Gone. All right, signing out. God bless. One.